our second video. Man, we had lots of fun while we were at Disney World, and these videos are going to highlight all the fun that we did. We got some beautiful landscapes, some beautiful, amazing, just everything was just great. We got some great photos. So I'm excited about this next video, guys. You're going to love it. Oh, by the way, I want to introduce you to my new family member. Her name is Luna. Luna! This is Luna, me and my wife's new fur daughter. She is an amazing puppy, but oh my goodness, can she be a nuisance? I'm telling you, but I love her anyway. I know that when she grows up, she's going to be an amazing and sweet doggy. Oh, how can I let her get out of my arms like that? I don't know. I guess I got to, though. Anyway, guys, you are going to love this video. And all the other videos we're going to do. There's going to be great footage coming from other times, other dates, other places, separate, together. You know, good time. So I am excited. So I hope you guys enjoy this next video. And I know Juan does an amazing job editing. It's just going to be, it's going to be fun. Fun and energetic. You're going to like it. We are brothers, and there's so much beauty and so much awesomeness in life in general. So like moments like this are moments like we've had over at Disney World and that we had at NASA today. This is what we want to be about. We're about capturing life.
The best moments in life, actually.
The best moments in life.
But this is the Lord's creation. How beautiful it is.
We are brothers in Christ. We were created by God, both of us. And I am thankful for my new, well, he's not my new brother because he's been my brother for 14 years. Yes. But I am thankful that I was able to meet and have a new brother, because I do have an actual brother. But this is what it's about. We're nature brothers. And moments like this, that's what we aim to capture. This is Juan's wife. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. How did he get that? I know, seriously? Anyway, it's my fault because I told him to ask her out, and he did. So, and now they're married. Anyway, so we are on our way to Disney's Animal Kingdom here in Florida.
Friend, never had a friend you ain't. Never had a friend, never had a friend you ain't. Never had a
Well, guys, I hope. I'm so sorry. I just wake up. I have to change. I'll be right back. Okay, that's good. Oh my gosh, what is it? That's so crazy. Oh, that's much better. Okay guys, I hope all of you enjoy our second video, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.